Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our very first Christmas card making kit for the year. It's the Sparkle Kit. It is $25 and let me show you what's in the kit. First we have some gorgeous bling from Uniquely Creative. It's our crystal bling. Next we have the 6.5-inch paper pad from Kaisercraft. This is a rose gold kit and I love rose gold, so that paper pad is just beautiful. Next we have got some organza white ribbon. Beautiful ribbon to make all your bows. We have a bag of collectibles with all of that shiny rose gold in there, just love it, and a pack of 6 card envelopes from Kaisercraft. Also in the kit you are going to get 6 card ideas to get you started, and they are actual size images. Let me show you the cards that Tanya's made. Tanya Ridgewell is our designer and she has done an amazing job. These are beautiful Christmas cards to get you started. I would love to receive one of these. In fact, if you're my friend you probably will, because I took one home to make. These are beautiful cards. I just really love them, and it's great to actually have this ready to go when I'm ready to make my Christmas cards this year. So these kits, as I said, are $25. They're shipping now. There is more than $25 worth of product in this kit. The images you get in your bag are actual size images, so if you want to make your cards exactly the same as Tanya's, you just measure from here to here. It's the same size as here to here, so you just measure that with your ruler and you can just make it the same. So these kits are ready to ship now. They'll be shipping on Monday. You can find them on our website www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.